तो हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम है आशीष एंड वेलकम बैक टू व्हाट द ट्रैवल। In this video, I will be sharing best itinerary for Leh Ladakh, which you can follow to cover the maximum places while having beautiful experiences visiting here. लेह लद्दाख आने का बेस्ट टाइम होता है मई से अक्टूबर तक। अक्टूबर के बाद हैवी स्नोफॉल होने की वजह से लेह लद्दाख रूट को बंद कर दिया जाता है। तो इस वीडियो को आप पूरा ज़रूर देखिए, क्योंकि मैं इसमें आपको देने वाला हूँ बहुत सारी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, जैसे कि आप लेह लद्दाख कैसे पहुँच सकते हैं, लेह लद्दाख के लिए आपको कौन से परमिट्स की ज़रूरत होगी। तो वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहें। अगर आप ऐसी ही ट्रैवल रिलेटेड एंटरटेनिंग और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस देखना पसंद करते हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो आइए अब चलते हैं अपने ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन लेह लद्दाख के सफ़र पे। लद्दाख, द एडवेंचर कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, रैंक्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट ऑफ मोटर बाइकर्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री। The stunning landscapes makes the drive from Manali or Srinagar to Leh in Ladakh one of the most memorable journeys one can ever embark upon. So depending upon the time you have and preference for transportation, you can reach to Leh Ladakh by air, by road. The easiest way to travel to Ladakh is by flight, and the nearest airport is in Leh, which is just 4 km from the main city. If you are planning to travel by road, then there are two routes available to Leh Ladakh. एक रूट मनाली की तरफ से होते हुए आता है और दूसरा श्रीनगर होते हुए पहुंचता है। मेरे ओपिनियन में आप श्रीनगर वाला रूट लीजिए, क्योंकि मनाली रूट से ऑल्टीट्यूड रैपिडली इंक्रीज होता है, जिससे आपको एक्लेमेटाइज होने का मौका कम मिलता है और आपको एक्यूट माउंटेन सिकनेस की प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। लेह लद्दाख ट्रैवल करने के लिए आप मिनिमम 5 से 6 दिन की आइटनरी प्लान करें। Upon reaching Leh, check into the hotel, relax a bit and try to acclimatize before starting to explore the places. Keep day 1 in Leh for resting, acclimatization and visiting local nearby places like Leh Palace, Shanti Stupa, Leh Market and Rancho School. Let's start our journey in day 1 with Leh Palace. This palace was built in 17th century and was one of the tallest structure in its heydays. From the top of the palace, the views of Ladakh mountain ranges and the Leh town are simply breathtaking. Entry fees is 15 rupees and the timings are from 7 am to 4 pm. Shanti Stupa, constructed in 1991, this magnificent white-domed Buddhist monument is located at a dizzying height of 11,900 feet. It is a religious place for Buddhists and also popular among tourists as it offers a sweeping view of Leh. Visiting timings are from 5 am to 9 pm, but the best time to visit is during sunrise and sunset. The Leh market is a perfect representation of the culture of Leh, vibrant and colorful. In this market, you can get everything imaginable from groceries to clothes, jewelry to local street food. Another popular place you can visit in Leh is Rancho School. This school became famous after Aamir Khan's movie 3 Idiots. On arrival here, you will be taken inside the campus and can visit different parts of school. The guided tour of the campus is available from 9 am to 6 pm only. One important point to remember is that लद्दाख में आपको प्लेसेस विजिट करने के लिए परमिट की ज़रूरत होगी। आप परमिट्स कहाँ और कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ये मैंने वीडियो के एंड में कवर किया है, तो वीडियो को स्किप किए बिना एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। After keeping day 1 for relaxing and acclimatizing, begin your day 2 journey from Leh to Nubra Valley via famous Khardungla Pass, which is also world's highest motorable road at 18,000 feet above sea level. This journey will take you around 6 hours to reach Nubra Valley. Located about 150 km from Leh, a high altitude cold desert, Nubra Valley is the most beautiful region in all of Ladakh. Home to Diskit Monastery, Hunda Sand Dunes, lakes and the village of Turtuk, this valley is a great attraction to all those who come here. You can also find double-humped camels offering rides through the dunes. You can also visit the towering statue of Buddha, which looks over the entire valley. Start your day 3 with a visit to Diskit Monastery. Situated at a height of 3,100 meters above the floodplain of Shok River, this 14th century monastery is the largest and the oldest in the Nubra Valley. The interiors of the monastery are as beautiful as its exteriors. The prayer hall is home to enormous drums and beautiful images of the Buddhist guardian supreme beings. The Diskit Monastery offers lovely views of the Diskit village and the surrounding landscape. The gold and red colored 108 feet tall statue of the Buddha is located just below the Diskit Monastery at an altitude of 10,000 feet. The statue represents ideas such as protection of Diskit village and promotion of world peace. A new day, new journey. Start your day 4 journey from Leh to the famous Pangong Lake via Changla Pass. This is the second highest motorable road in the world at 17,600 feet above the sea level. This drive will take you around 4 to 5 hours to reach Pangong Lake. One of the most dreamy locations in the country, the Pangong Lake, or what may I call the Blue Heaven, is one of the most mesmerizing sights that people from all over the world come to witness on their Leh Ladakh trip. The blue water of the lake reflects the sky and the mountains, making this the most picture perfect in Ladakh. You can book your stay at the beautiful campsites beside the breathtaking view of the lake. After spending day 4 visiting Pangong Lake, in day 5 morning travel back to Leh and visit Kargil War Memorial, which is also known as the Hall of Fame, to give tribute to the Indian Army. Located approximately 4 km from Leh on Kargil-Leh Road, the Hall of Fame was built in the memory of the brave soldiers who lost their lives fighting for India at the Indo-Pak War. Entry fees is ₹10 and timings are from 9 am to 1 pm and from 3 pm to 7 pm. Now let's talk about the permits required for a trip to Leh Ladakh. As Leh Ladakh region is very close to international border with China and Pakistan, therefore Indian and foreign nationals are required to take special permits to travel to inner line region of Ladakh like Nubra Valley, Pangong Lake, Changla Pass, Somori Lake and so on. You can apply for these permits at Leh DM's office or Tourist Information Center at Leh Market. You just need to submit a photocopy of a valid nationality identity proof and pay the required fees, which is around 400 to 600 rupees. Let's finally talk about expenses for 5 to 6 days Leh Ladakh trip. Taking food and accommodation and traveling to Ladakh by self-drive mode of transport, you are looking at about 23 to 25,000 rupees as the total cost for the entire trip. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि लेह लद्दाख ट्रिप से रिलेटेड आपको सारी जानकारी इस वीडियो के द्वारा मिल गई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। आप लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।